What if I told you that sugar is silently destroying your body, and you don't even realize it? What happens when you quit sugar for 30 days? The results may shock you. Your skin changes. Your brain rewires. Your cravings fight back like a drug withdrawal. But your body starts to heal. If you've ever felt tired for no reason, struggled with bloating, mood swings, or stubborn belly fat, keep watching. Because cutting out sugar might just be the reset your body has been begging for. Day 1 to 3, withdrawal begins. In the first 72 hours, your body panics. Headaches, irritability, fatigue. You're not imagining it. Studies show sugar triggers the same brain areas as cocaine. As you stop feeding that addiction, your brain screams for a fix. But this storm is temporary and necessary. Day 4 to 7, energy reboot. By day 4, something incredible happens. Your insulin levels begin to stabilize. No more sugar spikes and crashes, just smooth, steady energy. Many people report better focus, fewer cravings, and clearer thinking. Your body is switching from burning quick sugar to burning stored fat for fuel. Day 8 to 14, gut healing and sleep. 2 weeks in, your gut microbiome starts to rebalance. The bad bacteria that feed on sugar, they start to die off. And that bloating, it fades. People who quit sugar often sleep deeper, wake up fresher, and feel lighter, inside and out. Day 15 to 21, physical changes. Now the outside begins to reflect the inside. Your skin clears. Your face looks less puffy. Your waistline, shrinking. A 2022 study showed that most people who eliminate sugar for 3 weeks drop at least 4 to 6 pounds, without even changing anything else. Day 22 to 30, total reset. By the end of 30 days, your body has reprogrammed. Your taste buds become more sensitive. Natural foods suddenly taste amazing again. You no longer crave the artificial highs. You've gained back control, not just of your body, but of your mind. But here's the hard truth. Sugar is in almost everything, and it's keeping millions trapped in cycles of fatigue, weight gain, anxiety, and even disease. But you have a chance to break free, starting today. If you found this eye-opening, there's so much more coming. Subscribe to this channel right now for more powerful content on fitness, mindset, and simple habits that transform your life. And if you're ready to try this challenge, type NO sugar in the comments below. We're in this together.